Hi, this is Alex. Today it's about how you can check how your website is performing for free, and very easily. We are in Google Chrome. By right-clicking anywhere on the page, you can select Examine at the bottom. Then you get to a page that looks confusing at first glance. However, if you know that you click Lighthouse here, and then select Categories, you can check the most important aspects. I have selected the 3 most important ones here. Now we click on Analyze. The sub-site is also being investigated. My blog is currently being investigated. It is interesting that you can still access this research on the left. It happens relatively quickly. Zach, almost there. We get results. Oh, one is yellow. Of course, I've checked other subpages before, and we have green there. This is a nice demonstration effect, because I want to show what you can read, even as someone who is not 100% confident. I'm also not very familiar with websites. As I already said, I specialize in off-page SEO. But that is not the topic today. Here you can see, okay, you can click on this image. These are the posts. The alternative text is missing at the top. I can quickly correct it, as can be done in my editing software. I'll adjust that. Then you are welcome to visit alexhauk.e and do the right-click test to see whether it worked. I would be happy to receive comments, a like, and subscribe to the channel. Then there are more small and large hacks on the subject of SEO. Best regards, your Alex.